How to turn off end-to-end encryption in Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook Lite on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Message Like icon at the top. After you click on Message Like icon at the top, you will find all your messages in this way. Then click on Gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Privacy and Safety, which is the last option. Then, click on Message Storage at the bottom. After you've clicked on Message Storage, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Turn Off Secure Storage at the bottom. After you've clicked on Turn Off, press on Continue. After you press on Continue, it will be turned off. And this is how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Facebook Lite. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.